Hope you are all are doing good. So last class I have started the new lesson. That lesson name is lesson number 3. Name is the animal world. Okay. So today I am going to continue with those topic. So last class we have discussed till here food that animals eat. So this class we are going to discuss shelter of animals. Animals have different habitats. Some live in water and others live on land. Birds live in nests. Wild animals live in their natural homes. So here you can see, have you seen a bird nest? If you have seen, you can mention yes. If you have not seen, you can mention no. Name that bird. Which bird will make the nest? For example, you can mention here sparrow. The sparrow bird it will make the nest. Okay. So here what is meant by shelter of animals? So how the humans we are having home, okay, for survival. Okay, for like that, for all other animals will be having a different type of homes. Okay, so different animal will be having a different types of home, that is called as a shelter of animals. Okay, so they will be having a different type of habitat. For example, you can see few animals it will be survive on a normal land. Okay, and few animals it will be in the water. Okay, which are the animals it will be living on the land? It is called as a terrestrial animals, and which are the animals it will be living in a water? It is called as a aquatic animal. Okay, they live on a water and land. So water, which are the animal it will live? It is called as a aquatic animal. Aquatic is nothing but is a water. And which are the animals it will live on the land? It is called as a terrestrial animals. Okay, and birds it will make their nest. Birds will live on the nest. What is the use of nest? So once it will lays the eggs, no, so it will be keeping inside the nest. So it will be giving complete protection and support for the growth for the younger ones. Okay. Also the wild animals live their natural homes. For wild animals you can take lion and tiger. So it will be in a forest, right? In the forest we can able to see the cave. So inside the caves it will live. So like this different types of animal it will be living in a different types of houses. So that you can see in the textbook here, page number 155. Here you can see the bird it will be staying in a nest, and the snake it will be surviving in a inside the holes, and the ant you can able to see here handles. Okay, so it will be surviving in the handles. So this is all different types of homes. Here they mention horse. Horse the home name it is called as a stable. And next one, lion, tiger, which are the forest animal it will be there. No, majority of the forest animal it will be living in a forest or in a cave. So the rocks in between the some gap will be there. No, so that it is called as a cave. So there most of the animals it will be living in a forest area and in cave. And hen, it is called as a coop. The people used to cover the hen, no, in night time. Okay, so that it is called as a coop. Okay, and next one, ant it will be living in a handles. Here you can able to see handles. And next, rabbit will be survive in a burrow. Okay, so it will dig the sand and it will sit. Also they will be making some small house like that they will make and they will give. So those it is called as a burrow. And next one, the cow always it will be in a shed. Okay, and the dog it will be there in a kennel. And pig, which are the place it will stay? It is called as a stay. And next one, snake and rat. So always it used to prefer to stay in a holes. And next one, the bird it will be staying in a nest. Next we'll move on for our next topic, that is usefulness of animals. From animals it will be very friendly to us, right? Like domestic animal or pet animals, it is very friendly to us. Also it will useful to us in our daily life. For example, you can take the cow, it will give us a milk, right? Cow, goat and buffalo, these are the animals it will be give us a milk. Okay, and also the few animals like the hen it will be giving us a eggs, and honeybees it will give us a honey. Okay, also in honeycomb we can able to see the wax, right? That wax we can take and we can use for to make the candles. Okay, and next one, deer and eagle eagle, so it will eat the dead bodies. Okay, why it is eating the dead bodies? No, then how it is useful for a humans? You can think, for example, rat is died on the road. Okay, so what it will do? It will take the flesh of, it will eat the flesh of other animals, right? So it will eat the flesh, so it will be helpful to clean the places. Okay, that smell it won't come. The bones it will be can able to decompose in the soil. Only the flesh part it will have. So the remaining bones it will be getting decomposed in the soil. It will be helpful to keep it as a clean. Okay, this eagle, vulture, hyena, okay, hyena. So these are the birds. It will be helpful to keep the places clean from the dead bodies. So that is the reason it will eat the dead bodies. And next one. Earthworm. Earthworm, how it will be useful for the farming? See, earthworm, it will release, it will make the soil more fertile. Okay, if the soil, if it will make soil is more fertile, then you can able to get the more amount of vegetable, fruits or flower. Okay, because the soil is rich in nutrient like nitrogen or phosphorus, potassium, like that. Many minerals will be present in the soil. Through that we will be getting a more amount of yield from the field. Okay, this earthworm it is also called as a farmer's friend. Okay, and next one, the wild animals, few animals you will see in a circus. Okay, so it will entertain us, right? For example, elephant and the tiger. So these are the animals we can able to see in a circus. So it will give a entertainment to us. Okay, useful of animals, and useful. The animals are very much useful to mankind. So that is nothing but the humans. For example, cow it will give a milk to us like goat or buffalo. And next, honeybee it will gives us honey. Also the honeybee wax, no, we can able to use for making the candle. Okay, and next one, deer and eagle, it will be having a dead bodies. Okay, it will be the dead bodies of other animals, so it will be helpful to keep our environment clean and safe. And next one, earthworm, so it is called as a farmer friend. Why? Because it will make the soil more fertile. Through that we can get the more yield from the field. And next one, wild animals, it will entertain us in the circus. We can able to see it will be doing a n number of activities. So here you can see in the book, usefulness of animals. Most animals are useful to mankind. Animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. gives us milk. Donkey, horses and camel carry load for us. Okay, here they are given a few animals name, and here they have mentioned what are the uses. So here you can see animal name donkey, horse, camel. So here donkey is always donkey, horse and camels always it helps us to carry the heavy loads. Also we can see in a bullock cart and all, right. So there now we are giving now we are like a ox and all we are trying. Previously they will be using a horse and the camel. Okay. Also few times we can able to see the horse riding and the camel riding also it will come to near to us, right. So it will give entertainment to us. And next one, cow. So cow it will gives a milk and dung. Dung means the cow dung it will be there, no, so that it will helpful for the biogas. This you can able to study in a higher classes. And next one, the sheep, obviously it will gives a wool for us. From the wools we can make a woolen cloths. And next one, hen and duck. So hen and duck always it is a egg laying animal. The egg we can have. Okay, and next one is a silkworm. Through the silkworm we will be getting a silk, right? Okay, through the silkworm we will be getting a silk. So from the silkworm to how we are getting the silk, that also you can able to study in, that also we will be studying in a higher classes. And next one, from the honeybee we are getting honey and wax. Bee, eagle, etc. eat the dead bodies of the animal. Thus, they help in cleaning. Once it will have the dead bodies flush and almost, so it will be help us to keep the environment clean and safe. Next, earthworm tills the ground. Okay, so it will be in the soil, it will make the soil more fertile, so it will be helpful for the farmers. So that is the reason it is called as a friend of farmer. Okay, so they are helpful in a farming. Some wild animals are used in circus, right? So these are the usefulness of the animals. Okay, next we'll move on for a next topic that is called as a animal babies. For example, animal babies, the small one will be there. For example, we will call dog as a dog. Dog small ones will call as a puppies. Okay, for the cat small ones will call as a kittens. Okay, so like this, for example, human will be giving a birth to anyone, right? The small one will call as a baby. Okay, so like this, different types of animals it will give the babies of the animals. I have given few examples, right? Like a hen, the small one, once from the egg, the small chicks, it will come actual, right? It is called as a chicks. Okay, and next one is the cow, the small one, it is called as a calf, and the horse, the small one, it is called as a fowl, and the sheep, the small one, it is called as a lamb. So here you can see animal babies. Babies of animals are called with the different names. Yes, right? The dog, they will call the smaller one name, it is called as a puppy, and the hen, the smaller one, it is called as a chick or chicken, and next one is the cow, the smaller one name, it is called as a calf, and next one the horse, the smaller one name, it is called as a fowl, and the sheep, the smaller one name, it is called as a lamb. Also the few example like cat, this younger one, it is called as a kitten. So like this we can give n number of example. So these are our animals and their babies. These are animals, these are babies name. Okay, so just I am going to do a recap on whatever I have done. Okay, the first we have covered in this class, that is the shelter of animals, that is nothing but our home for animals. Different types of animal will be having a different type of home, right? So those only we are going to see in the topic. And few animals it will be living in the water, it is called as an aquatic animal, and few animals it will be living on the land, it is called as a terrestrial animals. Okay, also like birds will make the nest, right? Why? What is the use of making nest? Because once the rainy season will come, it will go and sit on inside the nest. Also, whenever it will lays the egg, no, for the eggs it will be giving a proper protection and the support. Okay, and wild animals, usually it will be in a forest, right? Okay, wild animals live on their natural homes. It make their homes by self or whatever it is made by natural. It will utilize that. For example, you can take as a cave. Okay, and here I have given example like a hen, cow. A cow it will be living on a shed. Also in the textbook you can able to see the horse it will be living in a stable. Lion and tiger it will be in a forest. In forest it will live in a cave. And next one is a hen, it will be living on a coop. And next one ant, it will be living on a ant hills. And rabbit it will be living in a burrow. Next cow it will be living in shed. Dog it will be living in a kennel. And pig it will be living the place it is called as a stay. And next snake and rat it will be living on their holes. Okay, and next bird it will be living on their nest. And next topic is the usefulness of the animals. Always our animals, like pet animals, domestic animal, it will be very much useful to us. For example, the cows it will give a milk, and the hen it will lay the eggs, and the honeybees it will give honey and wax, and bear and beagle it will eat the dead bodies of other animals. So it will be helpful to keep our environment clean and safe. Next one, the earthworm, so it will be helpful for the farmers because it will make the soil more fertile. Through that we will be getting a more product. We will be getting a more yield. That is the reason earthworm is called as a friend of farmer. And next one, wild animals they will be using in a surplus, so it will be entertaining to us. Also, the sheep it will be giving a wool. From the wool we can make the woolen cloth. Also the donkey, horse and camel it will carry the heavy loads. Okay, also the like bullock cart, even sometimes in horse riding also will be there, right? And in the cart they will be tying with the horses. It will be run along with the vehicle also. It will get moved, so it will be helpful. It will be helpful for to carry the more loads. Okay, and next one, this from the silkworm we will be getting a silk milk. So cow it will be giving a milk, also it will be giving a cow dung, right? This cow dung also it will be helpful to make the biogas. Okay, and here our next topic it is animal babies. So babies, what animals will be there? No, that small babies what they will call. So those we are going to see here. The dog, the small one, it is called as a puppy, and the hen, the small one, it is called as a chick or chicken. And third one, the cow, the small one, name it is called as a calf. Next, horse, the small one, name it is called as a fowl. And next, last one, the sheep, the small one, name it is called as a lamb. And also the cat, the small one, name it is called as a kittens. Okay, for lion, the small one, name it is called as a cubs. Like the different types of animal babies, it is called with the different types of name. Till there I have taught. Till there you can read the lesson twice, children, and whatever doubts you have, you can ask me doubts in the interactive session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.